Keep going. No matter how hard things are right now. No matter how stuck you feel. No matter how many nights you've spent crying or wishing things were different. No matter how depressed and hopeless you feel. I promise you won't feel like this forever. Keep going.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And what is your profession?
As of now, I exercise my profession as a barangay official. Halo pong tagapamayapa.
How do you handle your profession in daily life?
I manage to handle my profession fairly for the good of the whole barangay. Sunod.
What is your experience with doing your profession?
I have many experience. Many things like criticism, appreciation, and etc. etc.
What motivates you?
I was greatly motivated by the moral support of my family, my whole family, in which I was inspired much.
Ni hao everyone, nakapagay sa kabangan sa PC, sa Gipon, iya ka na una kong kanan ako niyo ba sa profession ni mo karon kita mao sa itigaw sa PC. Sige niya karon siya kada kadua na kong mga tanan nimo. Usay na apil nimo sa stigma sa okay na may budget. Okay naman din sa isip ko pwede na kami sila. Katulong ko yan nakapagtatay na ko sa parang sitwasyon ko yan sa isip niya sa may ma-advise mo ka na sa ubang tao na hindi nagtatama ko yan. Ako lang niya ma-improve ang ilang profesyon para sila makatrabaho matapos sila sa
Good morning, Mrs. Bonillo, and I'm gonna interview about your mental health in this society. What is your profession, Mrs.?
I am a housewife.
And what is your struggles being a housewife?
Doing chores and budgeting money for food and expenses. Being always at home was so stressful.
And how do you handle your stress?
Always under control, and because being a mom makes it more stronger than ever.
Thank you, Mom.
What is your profession?
Oh, my profession is I'm a service crew.
So the next question is, how should you handle the stress and pressure at your work?
Oh, I'm handling the stress and pressure at work is by relaxing myself and talking to other crew is the way I would handle my stress and pressure at the same time.
The last question is, what is your motivation?
My motivation, I love seeing people enjoying their food and having a good time, and also learning and new things.
Good afternoon, sir. Is your name nato, sir?
My name is Elmer Himala.
And what is your profession, sir?
I am a registered mechanical engineer by profession.
So, how was your experience in your job, sir?
Well, I have been through many companies already. When I graduated my mechanical engineering course, I started my works in Robinson's department store as maintenance. Then a few years after, I transferred to Cebu Midtown Hotel in Puentes Linya. Then I transferred again to Shangri-La's Mactan Island Resort as maintenance. Then also I transferred to Oak Ridge Real Estate Development Corporation as maintenance. And now currently I am working at RNC's Engineering Works as construction manager.
You have a lot of experience there.
Yeah.
So, do you find yourself having struggle?
Yes, of course. Every one of us will I mean, we have to pass some struggles in life.
So how do you cope up with your struggles, sir?
First of all, I pray to God that I handle all struggle that I encounter in my life and handle it carefully and make it put it challenge in my life also.
My last question, sir, is how can you express yourself being a self-love?
Have to careful with my diet because right now I have some medicines to take for my health, and of course I have to balance my time to work and myself as well. That's all.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
First question, what is your profession?
My profession is I am a call center agent, CSR, customer service representative. What we do there is we assist customers' concerns, issues, and complaints.
Okay, so next question, what is your struggle in your profession?
The struggle in my profession is especially like assisting some tough issues, tough concerns. So basically, in comes to that, we will just search for resolutions. We will search resolutions to our resources, and that's kind of really tough because when it comes to searching resolutions, you need to go deeply so that you can see what will be the best option or alternative, the best solution that we can give to the customers.
Okay, so third question, unsa may makapawala sa imong struggle sa imong profession?
Well, there's multiple reasons so that the struggles will go away. First is my family. I am doing this job for my family. I am doing this job for my baby. I am feeding my family in this job. So that's that's the top tier. Second is, of course, I'm being practical. The money, and aside from that, my colleagues. Colleagues is part of our lives because of them, and also our superiors. If without them, our job will meaningless.
Sa yung trabaho sa profession sa Cebu.
Karon sa barbero.
Yeah, unsa may mga kalisod sa trabaho?
Kalisod?
Kanang lisod sa trabaho ba?
Kuan. Ha?
Kanang lisod sa trabaho ba?
Sa barbero. Kuan, kaya batik ko.
Gano'n.
Kuan, kana na yung mga
Lisod eh, gano'n.
amihing maron o kanang mapihing o kanang straight ang buhok kanang bukag ba tangkag mamaro
Kulot.
ako kulot o hirap
Sayo ng kulot.
sayo ng kulot kaya pili na
Asa
binuangan
nga sayo? Kulot or straight?
sayo ng kulot
Naman.
kaya pili na binuangan mo pwede na dito pungon
Yeah.
ang straight coat kailangan juga ang straight coat kailangan juga ang ipantay mo tanan lahir sa kulot kay yan ang guntingon mo diba igunting mo ang kulot straight na kung katrabaho wala ka pa mawagtang
Mo ano ang
mura siya mawagi po lang yan